Hey, it's Stephen Layfield with Mossy Oak Properties, down here with my best buddy here, Jed, in front of what I call the Big Red Shed. It's a 5,000 square foot warehouse, 50 by 100. The possibilities are limitless what you can put in here, from collector cars to tractors, farm equipment, hay, you name it. We're on 2.5 acres. It's got an old uninhabitable house, but it's just begging for your dream home to be built out here. It's on the intersection of Bellevue Church Road and Friendship Church Road, less than 15 minutes from I-75, right on the Dooley County, Pulaski County line. Great spot, you need to see it. It's got power, it's got water, it's got septic. All that's missing is you. Come see me or call me at 478-952-8853.